3 powerful steps you can take right now to activate your impact without needing fame, money, or a massive platform. By the time we're done, you'll never look at yourself or your daily choices the same way again. Now, maybe you're thinking, sure, that sounds inspiring, but I'm just one person. I don't have influence. I'm not gifted like that. Or maybe you've tried before, you volunteered, created something, shared an idea, but it didn't feel significant enough. Nobody clapped. Nobody noticed. So you pulled back. But here's what you don't see yet. Impact isn't measured by applause. Impact is measured by effect. Think of it this way. When you drop a single stone into a pond, you may only see the first ripple. But that ripple keeps traveling outward, touching edges you can't see from where you stand. Your life is that stone. Your gift is that ripple. And whether you realize it or not, people are already being touched by your existence.